Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
So right now, I'm here. Shabazz is over there, editing a vlog for you guys. Drinking tea. A blue bucket that. Man, I use blue bucket as a table. So we're here. Blue the pan punishment. This morning, blue bite of a whole in bed. When there? You dash away. Shabazz dash away. Blue bite up in bed. So we have to get
6 bed bite.
Nigga. Every bed we get blue. We don't always have to put things in the case. Shabazz always tell you no. Blue I go bite it up. He no listen. He don't listen. Well, this morning blue bite up in bed. So we will get blue a new bed today. Kind now know to sleep. Cook this morning, but Ricky they have the vlog camera. I left the vlog camera in the car last night, so I never get for video when I cook because Ricky not too long bring. The vlog camera come and I just shoot the part over there, so I know me in the kitchen. I'll show them how I cook this morning. Some ackee and saltfish, you know? Yeah, so right now at 3 o'clock, 3:03, and food done cook already, dinner done cook already. Right now I'm gonna make a an Instagram video. If I forward with that idea, I'm gonna bring on behind the scene and just. So I just find this snake here. I just find the rubber snake here, and I come up with a video idea for the white girl. What if people know the white girl? What if people don't know the white girl? I have a thing called Ediat white girl. She has stressed me out. So today I'm gonna bring her behind the scenes. Oh the iron. Come here, sir. What that look while? I'm gonna do a Ediat white girl video and I'm bring her behind the scenes with me. You know what I mean? Watch out. See how wig, yeah? See how wig this. And no man can tell me about wig, wear wig and this and that. It's a character me arc. Bring on the negativity somewhere else. Not over here. Me G's them, we will not tolerate no negativity. Alright, so normally with the oh, me have the camera up on a stand, that's why. So normally with the Ediat white girl video, I normally shoot my part first. I act as me first. Cause then you don't know when I do Ediat white girl, I have to powder up my face and my beard and everything I go powder up. So I just shoot my part first and then I get dressed and do the Ediat white girl part. You know what I mean? But I prefer do it. Alright, you can do it now, so I go. She go over there, so I go over there, so. Alright, we're gonna match it up. No, camera they too far, me off. People, this is the merch. You know what I mean? Suck yourself. SYS. It's the merch. If you don't want them shirt here, just link LTS and we get the merch too. No? Yeah. And while me there show the merch, me have some fun. This is also our next LTS merch. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're full of merch. We're full of merch. Be a merch. Be a merch. See there? Next LTS merch. We have LTS all over. We're full of merch. 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 You know what I mean? Shout out to Pink. Pink are the brains behind all of the merch them. Pink create all of the merch them. Print them out, do everything and make me get them, you know what I mean? You always create merch and just ship them to Florida to me. So shout out to Pink, and if you don't want any LTS merch, you just DM Pink on Instagram or DM Laugh to Success, you know what I mean? We have BA merch, BA merch. The one here, one of my favorites. I don't know, LTS. Shh, don't tell. You know what I mean? Me single, but don't tell me girl. Gentlemen's. Una can't go wrong with this. Cap on the merch. Cap on the merch. And we have a big surprise that come up for now Monday. Yeah, we have a big surprise that come up for now Monday. When you just stay tuned to that. The vlog them will get lit. That's all I'm gonna say. The vlog them will get lit. We have my single, but don't tell me. Yeah, this is for ladies them. So ladies, guys, we have my single, but don't tell me girl. And the ladies them have the man. And I actually have this Pink send me this for giveaway. I actually want to give this to somebody, so who want it? Just ask me feet if you don't want it. Yeah. Who want it? Just ask me feet. But you have to do Florida. Because I not ship it again. If you know that Florida and want it, it's a medium. Ladies, it's a medium. Who want it? You that Florida? Come feet. It's yours. I wonder who call me. Be a good people surround me. Have my girls on me. Yo, bro's eye.
Hold on, it's Anthony.
So hold on now, you think me done with the merch? Watch it again. Yo, LTS, love the success. Love the success. And next one, me single but don't tell me girl. People myself link pink. Love to success by Instagram or Ayo. What pink Instagram? Me I go put it right there, so link pink for the merch. We have more merch, but this them one here is only for we. You know long me have the one here, you see you want lint with lint brush. The L here. See the T and the S, LTS. We're full of merch. Yes, if you want to support the merch, remember link pink on Instagram or Laugh to Success, just DM me and we get it here. Quick and easy. Yeah. Yo, me's a neat freak, so everything when we just take off a hanger like while, we need to put them back on hanger because me literally keep all of my clothes them on hanger. Me's a neat freak. Anyway, before me I go nowhere, no matter how my clothes up on hanger, me still have to press, every single day. Every time I touch out, the man him say grocery store, I put on a shirt and look why I just drawn this, you know. This, and when Ricky forward, like, is a Marina Medina. When Ricky forward, like, while and give me the camera, I just drawn this. Because I don't want to see the bird chest, you know. Chest not ready for me. Just give me a couple more months. And the chest already, but yeah. I go about to put back them something up on hanger and start the video. I'm supposed to start, me get sidetracked. But yeah. So, probably, I go forward it, I check out me go do the video. Now I have to bring up the camera a little more. Right, too low. Remember me I'm 6'3", so yeah. People, that's how my rehearse for my video. It's just a rehearse that I just have a rehearse. We take it serious, you know. We take it serious. It might just simple and a 1 minute for Instagram, but we take it serious. Rehearse time, guys. Rehearse. So we in a saddle. Alright. I left your place. Left your place. Babe, how you in a saddle? What? No, it's a regular snake. You good? I don't know, me just find it basically. I don't have a plan to do nothing with it really. Yeah. See all you know, long man for slapping. Go and ramp with me. People mad, you know. I'm mad, you know. I have to do all of them something before I do a video, you know. Focus. Alright. Me need to focus. Time for your real video right now. Yeah, let's get it. Let's just get it done. If I'm forward right or so. Too much of my head now. Alright, I'm forward right or so. Alright, real video time now. Just start the video, I'm tired already. Alright, time for shoot the white girl part now. So, white girl time now. Yeah, forward. Remember, me up on the stand, so. Easy, don't drop. White girl time now, so I have a white girl up. It's a struggle. This is the white girl face, and I'm about to put on the white. Yo, first of all, I'm telling you something right now. The white girl, ugly. I want me to say ugly, me mean shit. Ugly. So right now, brace on yourself, or stand up, sit down, or sit down, sit down. Brace on yourself, come the white girl, ugly. Can't see me never tell you, you know. I'm see me and the white girl yet, I'm ugly and the white girl. No, I'm gonna just fling it on you, so. You have to go on the side of your face so you can warm up to it, because if you do all your face look well, all another faint. Because it don't look like dope here. Something in my eye? Yo, me ugly, you know. What a ugly get you. You help me see when the girl them put on the wig at this, then doing it your face. What is this? Babe! Oh my god, I'm on his vlog. This must be the vlog. Hello guys. Are you guys the G's? Okay, so today we are behind the scene and we are going to make a video. Oh my god. Guys, I want to be like those uptown Jamaican girls. I'm practicing to talk like them. And I legit think I can talk like Jamaican uptown girls. Because this is exactly how they sound. And I'm not lying to you. I'm definitely not lying to you. This is how Jamaican uptown girls sound. I legit doing it. What a ugly girl. Yo, me feel delete this and not put in a vlog to blood. Yo, now me come like choo-choo. Rest in peace. Dog. Yo. Alright, time for going and run. Forward. Me know me ugly. You don't have to tell me. Me know me ugly. Chop. You know me ugly. You know we have to big up Jamaica. Cause we have the Jamaica flow. I legit put it up a couple months ago. You know I'm still a chat like the white girl. But from putting on this and become the white girl, feel like somebody just see me out the door. Embarrassing. This is what I'm gonna be scared of today, guys. Please always use the Listerine. Me I wonder, alright. From this so. See how so. Boy. Something down that table can't move. Wow. What is this? I forgot to hide this under here. Oh, it's an Air Force. Bye. Alright, body seat. Now I have to lower this. Yeah, you can do that, so. Alright. Yeah, this can work. No, that not do good. Because I want to lick the wall and make this drop in my head. I want to drop down, but no drop, yo. That's funny to you? You know that I like a run off for the end. Me hot. Jesus. I'm burning up. So yeah, just go wash off my face, and with that, the video done, just like that. Both to edit right now. Edit this, we'll put it on Instagram today. The vlog I upload tomorrow. Cause me upload a vlog last night, basically last night, so yeah, I'm gonna save the vlog and upload it tomorrow. But the Instagram video, it'll go up this evening. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and upload it right now, cause probably 3:30. I'm gonna look at the time right now. That's funny to you?